Hello guys, so today we have this question merge sorted array. Okay, this is question from lead code. So in this question basically you have given this array nums1 and nums2. You just merge this array into a single array and that array must be in sorted order. Okay, so this is your question and and the one thing is you need to remember that the m and n is not the length of the nums1 and nums2. Okay, m and n are the representing the number of elements of nums1 and nums2. Okay, so it is not a length of array, it is representing the number of elements in nums1 and nums2. Okay, so this is your question. And one second thing is the length of nums1 always be m plus n. Okay, length of nums1 is always be m plus n. The reason is because you want to merge this array into a nums1. You want to merge nums2 into a nums1. Okay, so that's why the length of the nums1 is always be m plus n. Because if the length of nums1 is not m plus n, then you cannot merge this array into a nums1. So that's why the length of nums1 is always be m plus n. Okay. So the logic is I'm not creating any extra array to merge this array. Okay. I'm not creating any extra array to merge this array. Okay. So my logic is I just run a loop. Wait. So see, this is your array now. Nums1 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. So this is your nums. This is your nums1, and this is your nums2, 2, 5, 6. No, 2, 5, 6. So this is your nums2. So my logic is I just start my loop from here. Okay, I just start my loop from here. Okay, and I stored all the elements of nums2 at this index. So first I stored this 2 is at this index. So here 2 I stored. After that I store 5 at next index. After that I store 6 at next index. So 2 is present here, then 5, then 6. Okay, so in this way I stored every element of nums2 into nums1. Okay, so after this my array will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 2, then 5, then 6. Now array, this is my nums1. So so I merge nums2 into nums1. Okay, I merge the nums2 into nums1. After this, I just sort this array using this arrays.sort method. Okay, so now the final array is 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. So I get the output. See, I get the output. So now I write a code for this. First I declare one variable j is equal to 0. Then I run a loop. Then I run a loop from int I is equal to m. I already said that I just run a loop from here. Okay. So I is equal to m and I less than nums1 dot length I plus plus. So in that loop, I stored nums2 elements into nums1. Nums2 and I increment the value of j. Then I close this loop. After that, I just sort my nums1. Arrays dot sort, and I pass the array nums1. So this is the logic. So I run a loop from I is equal to n, I less than nums1 dot length, because I want to iterate from here to here. Okay. So after that, I just stored every at numbers of nums2 into nums1 using this line. After that, I just sort my nums1 array. Okay. So this is the logic, and I'm not creating any extra array to merge this array. Okay. Thank you, guys.